today is trailer day. We're gonna be doing some repairs on the trailer. We're gonna be greasing our hubs. We're gonna be changing out these lights. We're gonna be adding a set of guideposts. We got some stuff up there on the winch that we got to mess with. We got all this stuff from wholesalemarine.com. Special thank you to the sponsor of this video, wholesalemarine.com. They've got basically all this kind of stuff that you could want for your boat. And actually right now, if you use the link in the description below, you can get a 10% discount, no minimum purchase. I got both my courtesy lights for the sides of the trailer, both the brake lights. I'll probably leave the wiring because my wiring is actually pretty good condition, but use the code BAB10 and you'll save 10%. So let's start on these two back lights here. I already got the plate on there. I'll probably throw that in here just to throw it in there. We'll start on these lights, then we'll start on those two sides, and then I need to top off this right here. We'll hit the buddy bearing and then we'll top off our air on this tire. You know, it's still pretty amazing to me that these kind of trailer lights and stuff still come with like wing nuts and stuff. It's like, I don't know. You know, I mean, why can't you just put heat shrinks in there? It just, whatever.
I didn't even think about that.
And of course, what I bought is completely different from what I have. So what I'm gonna do is jerry rig this up. We're just gonna drill some holes here. I'm gonna put a terminal on the end of this so that way it'll ground out, and I'll just drill 2 holes here. We'll screw it on there and call it good. While I got the pressure washer out, I'm just going to pressure wash this trailer, get all this stuff off of the trailer. I'll knock this out, you know, blow all this stuff out of here, as well as kind of blow off this tire, all this dirt that's along here, get all this off this fender, get all this cleaned up while I got the pressure washer out, and then we will get the boat off the trailer to do the rest of the stuff on the trailer that we want to do. I'm gonna change these real quick, super easy, just 3/4 on this side, 3/4 on this side. Take the bolt out, take that off, grease it all up real heavily, put the new ones in there, easy peasy. Like I said, easy peasy. Got these going. I also lube that up too, so that way that can move to the contour of the bow of the boat. All right, that's it for that part of the trailer. Yeah, we need to adjust this. I'm gonna have to undo these. This needs to come up a little bit. This thing's like getting trashed on that boat hook, and how do you even hook that? So we need to bring this up a little bit, bring it back a little bit, and then we'll adjust that, and that'll be good. Now, this is going to be a nice feature to have, being the trailer guideposts. Again, I got these from Wholesale Marine. I can't remember the actual brand of it, but I think it's a C-Sense trailer guidepost, 48 inch. Here's my anode that I need. All right, so this should be pretty easy. Just got these clamps, these U-bolts. That goes on the lower unit. These are gonna slide in like this. Actually, no. They're gonna slide like this onto this trailer. We'll U-bolt them, and then there should be a little screw or something that you can screw into these to keep them on the post, but they're probably in here somewhere. You see, there's the drill. Oh, you put these through there, make them solid. Okay, sweet. So let me get to putting these on.
I didn't try it.
And we got to drill a hole through.
Had to shut down the...
All right, awesome. These are an outstanding addition to any trailer. So lights done, plates on, guideposts on, side lights good. The rollers on the front, those are good. I also readjusted that a little bit. Boat's not all the way on the trailer right now, but all good. Greased that up, put air in the tires. So we are rocking and rolling here. Now I just need to test the lights a little bit. Oh, there we go. Boom. That one's blinking. We're good to go. That one's blinking. We're good to go. All the lights working. That one's blinking. We're good to go. And that one's blinking. We're good to go. So beautiful on the lights, guideposts, rollers. And that's pretty much it for our beginning of the season trailer repair that we got today. Now let's go put this boat in the water.